students. I am Neha Telani from SST College of Arts and Commerce. In SYBMS, we have one subject, advertising. So today we are going to learn about the introduction of advertising. Okay. Before starting with the meaning of advertising, the meaning, characteristic, features of advertising, let's have a look on the picture that is given in slide. As we all can see that there is a picture of Pizza Hut advertisement is being done for an online order. In that it is shown that if you will buy 2 pizzas, you will get 50% off on an online order. This advertisement fits perfectly in this pandemic situation as we all are doing online orders for the goods and services. So it grabs the attention of each and every one. So advertisement is nothing but grabbing attention of people for the goods and services, for the ideas. So advertisement is an action of calling public attention to an idea, good or services, and it is a paid form of announcement. There are certain advertisement agencies that is hired by the companies or firms to advertise a particular product. So it is a paid form of communication. Let's have a look on definition of advertising. As I said, advertisement is a paid form of communication. We are communicating with people to transfer message, to inform people about something, to inform people about goods and services. We influence them, we encourage them, or we can say we motivate them to buy our product or to try some new products. Okay. We all hear advertisement on radio, we all see advertisements on television, we all see advertisement in newspapers, we all visit various online sites for our goods and services, and when we travel we see advertisements on hoardings. So these are what different medium of advertisement: radio, television, print media, online or mobile or outdoor advertisement. From that we can select any one medium or more than one medium to advertise our product. Selection of the medium should be done on the basis of suitability to your product. If it suits your product, then it should be selected, otherwise the message won't be delivered in an effective manner. Okay. Now let's see the benefits of advertising, or we can say what are the advantages of advertising. If I am advertising certain product, so there might be a benefit or advantages to that. Suppose I want to launch a new product, I want to introduce a new product in market. So with the help of advertisement, it will be easy for me to introduce, or we can say we can launch product easily. It applies not only for the new companies, the existing companies also can add certain product line, so it will be easy for them also to introduce new product line for that. For example, we can take example of Pears soap. It comes in that brown color. Suppose I want to advertise certain new, that is I want to change the color and I want to reintroduce certain products, I can do with the help of advertisement easily. So first benefit, we can introduce a new product in the market. Okay. Now we all are aware about McDonald's outlets. Everywhere we can see that. So the market has an expansion with the help of advertisement. We can expand our markets, we can enter in the new markets with the help of advertising. Third benefit is, if I am advertising my product, people will have a look on that, it will increase my sale. If the product is advertised in an effective manner, you can have an increase in your sale, and ultimately there will be increase in your profitability. As we all can see, there are two brands, that is Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Till now, the advertisement is made for both the products. Why? To fight the competition. If suppose the Coca-Cola stopped advertising their that is called soft drinks, so the sales may be affected. To keep the product alive in the minds of people, we have to do advertisement. To fight the competition, I have to make an advertisement. So next benefit is, to fight competition, advertisement of product is must. Now, if I am advertising the product, it will add or it will enhance the goodwill. There will be a reach of my product in national level or in international level, so it will add to my goodwill. Nowadays, we all are aware that we can do online order of goods and services. Suppose if I want that my customer should know each and everything about my product, I can add certain points of my product, or I can add all the points of my product which is necessary for a consumer to know. That means I have to make people educate for that. I will write the description of the product, the composition of the product, the price of the product and other details. It will help me to educate my consumers regarding the product. In online advertising, nowadays there is no middleman, correct? If I am advertising suppose certain product, it will be at my doorstep within a few days. So there is elimination of middleman. I will advertise my product, I will put my advertisement on my various sites, or I will advertise my product on different mediums of advertisement. I can have direct contact with my customers. There is no need of middlemen, there will be elimination of middlemen. People have certain imagination, or I can say certain perception, that the goods advertised have a proper or a better quality. So if I am advertising my product, I have responsibility to provide quality products to my customers. Suppose I have I am dealing in cars, I am selling cars, so I have a salesman for that in a particular organization. So I have already advertised that particular car on certain website. It will be easy for a salesman to sell the product, correct? It will support the salesman to sell the product, as the details of the product is already with the customers. Last point, last benefit. If I want to make an advertisement, or if I want to to create employment opportunities, I can give advertisement in newspaper. We all see that there is different column in the newspaper which is which provides us the vacancy details, the job details. So we can create employment opportunities with the help of advertisement, and indirectly we are contributing to develop the nation. So these are different 10 benefits of advertising. Okay. Now let's see the characteristic of advertising. Now, if I am advertising, can I say I am communicating with people? If I am showing certain banners of my product, if I am showing some videos of my product, I am communicating with the people. I am communicating as I am providing information to the audience regarding my product. So first characteristic of advertising, that is communication. As I said that it is a paid form of communication. In benefits we have seen that it is a paid form of communication. The advertisement agencies are there which is hired by organizations or firms to create an advertisement for them. So it is a paid form. Okay. Now there is no direct link between the advertiser and the audience. So can I say it is a non-personal form of communication? If I am advertising my product, I am not advertising for a particular person. I am advertising for general public as a whole. So there is no personal form of communication, as there is no face-to-face contact between advertiser and audience or a target audience. Why advertisement is done? To promote the product. If I want to promote my product, so I have to do advertisement. So next characteristic is objective of promotion. Advertisement is done with the objective to promote the product in the market. We have seen in the mediums of advertisement, radio, television, online advertisement, outdoor advertisement. I can take one medium or I can take more than one medium. Suppose I am advertising certain product on television, at the same time I can put that advertisement on my website. So we can have one or more mediums to advertise our product. With the help of advertisement, we can give customers the variety of products. Suppose I have created website and in that I have posted certain goods or the certain handbags. So the customers have variety of products, they can select the product as per the suitability and they can buy the product instantly. Advertisement helps in increase in sale and ultimately it will add to profitability. If the product is advertised in an effective manner, in a proper manner, we can have sales increase and it will add profitability.